Welcome to Lourdie's Hair and Health Tips. Today I am going to show you how to make a homemade deep hair conditioner using peach and banana. For me, I really like how it makes my hair shine and soft. So don't be afraid. Let's get started. So I'm just gonna peel my peach and put it in the blender. Go. Just gonna peel my banana. Done. Okay, so now the first thing I'm going to do, I am going to put honey, olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil. So when you mix everything together, so let's see the result. So far so good. A bit of peppermint. Put my vitamin E there. Tea tree oil. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to place this in the fridge. Meanwhile, I am going to wash my hair with my homemade apple cider vinegar mixed with beer, and then I am going to apply it. I'm just going to use my cider vinegar mixed with beer. I'm going to put a plastic cap and I am going to leave it for 5 minutes. Now, so I'm just waiting for 5-10 minutes and then I will go rinse my hair quickly. So the first thing I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to separate my hair into sections. I just do this. So now I am going to apply my homemade peach and banana deep conditioner. And I'm gonna apply it everywhere. I'm gonna start here. And it's still there. So next, let me show you quickly what I mix and my conditioner. This is shea butter, so I put that and use my argan hair mask. It smells really good. It's creamy. I'm gonna put a lot and I am going to put honey. Next, I'm gonna add this one. I'm gonna put a little bit of castor oil. The last one, I am going to put a little bit of almond oil. So this is it. Next, I am going to rinse my hair with cold water. Then I will apply my conditioner. Now I am going to apply the conditioner on my hair and scalp, and I will leave it for minimum 30 minutes and I will rinse it out with cold water. Just gonna wear gloves. You don't have to put the conditioner. instead of rinsing with shampoo, this is what I use. But you can tell my hair is pretty clean. This is optional. I'm gonna do the same thing here. I can stay like that all day, but I won't. I am just going to leave it for maximum 45 minutes. Now I am going to remove the plastic so I can rinse my hair. Now I'm just going to rinse my hair. This is the final result. My hair is extremely shiny, soft, and it's beautiful. If you would like to see how I style my hair, click on the next video.